Another day, another matcha. Morning po.
Banana bread. Can I take your name na lang, ma'am?
Ken po. Guys, I finally have my order and this is hickory. Ikaw yung maglalagay mo syrup mo. Yung matcha. So, let's finally try it. Creamy ng matcha. Hindi mo naman nila sobrang tamis ng pagka-matcha niya. Yes. Sobrang katamis guys, which is I like sa mga cookies is hindi masyadong matamis kasi nakakaumay. Banana bread. Order ko guys. Yung walang walnut. Hindi ako fan ng walnut guys. Perfect. Hindi siya matamis. Tapos parang nagbabalance lang yung mga chocolate chips niya. Ang sarap. I like your space guys. Super cozy and very aesthetic. Pero much better guys if pupunta kayo dito ng early. 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Hindi ganun kadami yung tao. So walang pila. That's it for today guys. Bye!